In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to deposit in Coinbase Wallet step by step. Whether you're a seasoned crypto enthusiast or a newcomer trying to navigate the world of digital currencies, understanding how to deposit funds into your Coinbase wallet is an essential skill. So, let's dive in and make this process as smooth and straightforward as possible. To begin, you'll want to open the Coinbase Wallet extension on your browser. If you're not familiar with browser extensions, they're small software programs that customize your browsing experience, and in this case, it makes accessing your crypto wallet super convenient. Once you have the extension open, you can easily manage your Coinbase wallet without breaking a sweat. Next up, you'll need to click on the Receive option. This is where you'll find your wallet address, which acts like your bank account number in the crypto world. It's crucial for receiving any cryptocurrency, so make a note of where this button is for future transactions. Once you click Receive, your unique wallet address will be displayed. Take a moment to copy this address, as it's essential for the next steps. A pro tip here: always double-check that the wallet address is copied correctly to avoid any mishaps with your transaction. Now, head over to your personal computer and log into your Coinbase account. It's important to ensure you're logging into the correct account, as this is where your funds will be coming from. After logging in successfully, search for the Send Receive option on the interface. Here, you'll want to select Send since you're initiating a transfer to your wallet. In the Send interface, paste your Coinbase wallet address into the designated field. Remember, this is the very address we just copied, so make sure it's accurate by doing a double check. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Next, enter the amount you wish to send from your Coinbase account to your Coinbase wallet. This amount can vary based on what you're comfortable with or what your current needs are. After entering the desired amount, proceed to confirm the transaction. This confirmation step ensures that the details you've entered are correct and that you're ready to move forward. Make sure everything looks good, and then give it the green light. Finally, comes the waiting game. Transactions, depending on network congestion and other factors, might take varying amounts of time to complete. This is perfectly normal, so give it a little time and keep an eye on the transaction status. Once it's complete, you'll see the funds safely in your Coinbase wallet. And that's it, folks. You've successfully deposited funds into your Coinbase wallet. It's a remarkably straightforward process once you get the hang of it. Mastering these steps will certainly contribute to a smoother cryptocurrency experience. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!